Okay, so this video is using properties to write your equation and be able to graph that circle. So again, our standard equation is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to the radius squared. And my center is hk, and my radius is equal to r. So these first few is similar to the first video. So it gives me my center and my radius already. So I just have to plug it in to write my equation. And it's always going to be the opposite of what your center point is. So x plus 11 squared plus y plus 8 squared is equal to my radius squared. So 2 squared, or you could also write it as x plus 11 squared plus y plus 8 squared is equal to 4, because 2 squared is 4. So that's two different ways to write your equation. Since both center points were negative, that means both of these are going to be positive. And then on number 4, so I have one negative and one positive. So I know that my x is going to be plus, because that's the opposite, and then my y would be negative. So x plus 12 squared plus y minus 12 squared is equal to my radius squared. And again, you can write it in this form, or you can go ahead and square it. So x plus 12 squared plus y minus 12 squared is equal to 9. Both equations are correct. Okay, and on number 5, so it shows my center is at 0, 0. And we know we do x minus 0. Since we're just subtracting from 0 each time, we don't have to write it. So it would look like this. But if you're subtracting 0, then you're not taking anything away. So anything minus 0 is itself. So you would just write it as x squared plus y squared is equal to 2 squared. Or again, you could put is equal to 4, since that is 2 squared. Okay, on number 7, so this is showing you how to write the equation in standard form when you're given a circle. So first you have to determine your center. And if I see here, I see it crosses at exactly 3, 5 and 3, negative 3. And then it also crosses at exactly 7, 1 and negative 1, 1. So from negative 1 to 7, that's a distance of 8 horizontally on my x-axis. So halfway would be 4 units, which would put me at 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to be at 3, positive 1 as my center. And I can verify up and down too. So since it's at negative 3 and it goes to 5, that's a distance of 8 units. Therefore, 4 units would be my midpoint. Therefore, I know my center is at positive 3, positive 1. So center 3, 1. And since I said my diameter was 8, then that means my radius is equal to 4, sorry. So I have all the information that I need now to write my equation. So x minus 3 squared plus y minus 1 squared is equal to 4 squared. And on number 8, if you notice your y value has half points marked, but it doesn't change your process. So I see that my circle is 2 units wide and 2 units tall, so I know right here in the center of both of those would be my center. So my center is located at positive 2, positive 3. And my radius is just equal to 1. So I would have x minus 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equal to 1 squared. And that would be my equations there.